Excel TBILLPRICE function. This function returns the price per $100 face value for a Treasury bill. It is one of Excel's built-in financial functions for working with U.S. Treasury bills. The syntax is TBILLPRICE with three parameters: settlement, maturity, and discount. All three arguments are required. Settlement is the T-bill's settlement date, the date you purchase it. Maturity is the T-bill's maturity date, when you redeem it. And discount is the T-bill's discount rate. Let's look at an example. We have a Treasury bill with a settlement date of January 1st, 2016, a maturity date of December 31st, 2016, and a discount rate of 9%. The formula is TBILLPRICE of B2, B3, B4. The TBILLPRICE function returns 90.88. This means you would pay about $90.88 for every $100 of face value on this Treasury bill. Watch out for common errors. A value error occurs when the settlement or maturity date is not valid. A num error occurs when the discount rate is 0 or negative, or when the maturity date is more than 1 year after the settlement date. Key points to remember. TBILLPRICE calculates what you pay per $100 of face value. A 9% discount means paying about $90.88. T-bills are sold at a discount and redeemed at face value, and the difference is your return. Related functions include TBILQ for bond equivalent yield and TBILLYIELD for yield. The maximum term is 1 year. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.